Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Buju Banton will not officially perform on stage until March 2019. Sources from his camp say plans are well advanced for the concert dubbed Buju Banton The Return Home, set for the end of March next year.
While I'm living, thanks I'll be giving.
Buju, who arrived in Jamaica late on Friday, was overwhelmed with the support from fans and well-wishers. The frenzy continued over the weekend as the internet was flooded with sightings and other videos and photos of the Grammy-winning artist. The entertainment fraternity, including Bounty Killer and Elephant Man, all expressed their wishes for Buju Banton.
I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through every day.
Miss Jamaica World 2018 Khadijah Robinson was on Saturday crowned Miss World Caribbean. The beauty was shortlisted for the top crown when she made it to the top 5 of the Miss World competition. For the top 5 question, Khadijah was asked what is her greatest obstacle she had to overcome. In answering the question, she mentioned her experience with colorism in Jamaica, which affected her self-esteem.
I always doubted myself and I always doubted my capabilities, and it took me a very long time to overcome this. And I know it takes a lot of communication with self and a lot of thought, and it's a long process, but I was able to do it. And to whoever is listening tonight that is not confident in yourself, I implore you to communicate with yourself, find your niche and find yourself, and it will be the most awesome feeling ever.
Khadijah and the other 4 Beauty with a Purpose finalists will be joining the new Miss World, Vanessa Ponce de Leon of Mexico, on the Miss World 2019 Beauty with a Purpose tour. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.